Information before installation and connection of the duct air heater. Operating conditions. Installation. Installation is possible in almost all positions, except when A. The installation position is horizontal and the connection box is facing downward. B. The installation position is vertical and the airflow is directed downward. Install the round duct heater in accordance with the airflow direction, as indicated on the housing. In heaters with PS functionality, the PS pressure switch must always be installed in a vertical, wall-mounted position. The supplied mounting bracket must be used to ensure proper operation of the pressure switch. Positions are indicated in the installation instructions supplied with the bracket. If the heater is installed downstream of the fan, the PS pressure hose must be connected to the plus port, as positive pressure is generated in the duct. If the heater is installed before the fan, switch the hose to the minus connection. If the duct pressure is below 20 pascals, the heater will not heat. Control system. The heater has integrated PTC airflow sensor and PS differential air pressure switch. This heater is controlled by an external 0 to 10 volts DC analog signal. Example: when a 5 volts DC signal is applied, the heater operates at 50% of rated power. When a 10 volts DC signal is applied, the heater operates at 100% power. Electrical connection. The 0 to 10 volt DC control signal is connected using a 2-core cable, according to the wiring diagram under the cover. Minus to terminal 9, plus to terminal 10. Heater. It is mandatory to connect 230 volts AC control voltage to terminals 5 and 6. According to the wiring diagram under the cover, regardless of whether the heater is powered by 2 times 400 volts or 3 times 400 volts. Connect the appropriate power supply cable according to the heater type specified on the heater nameplate. 1 times 230 volts connect to PE/NL terminals. 2 times 400 volts connect to PE/L1, L2 terminals. 3 times 400 volts connect to PE/L1, L2, L3 terminals. Meaning of temperature controller, LED indications. Upon power-up, the unit enters a 30-second standby mode. During this period, power LED flashes at 5-second intervals when the fan is switched on. If no airflow detected within 30 seconds, power LED flashes every 5 seconds. If airflow detected within 30 seconds, power LED flashes every 1 second. LED 2 on. Heater is heating. Troubleshooting. LED 2 off. Check the 0 to 10 volts DC signal connection.